Hey guys, we're here at Orlando Speed World for our first test run on the new Precision Turbo Stage 1 turbocharger. Again, we did a 1322 at 104 mile an hour, so that was our first stock run. We did a couple of 13.2s, 13.3s, so that's where the car is like around stock. Hopefully we get into the 11s today. I'm super excited, so everything is ready. Again, we're on 93 octane fuel, so let's see how this turbo behaves. Our best 60 foot was like 195, I think. So let's see if we can get like a 1.7 to start, and then let's see what mile an hour and ET we get. So let's try it. Fast, baby, that was fast. There was like 120 something mile an hour there, baby. I think it was like 120 something. I'm not sure. I think I saw 120 something. Woo! Man, it felt good. 176 60 foot. So I think it's promising. I don't know where it's gonna be, but it felt quick. Felt very quick. Wow, it's way quicker than factory. I mean, I did 104. I saw 120 something mile an hour, so I think I saw 120 something in the car. So let's see. I'm super pumped, super pumped, super pumped. I don't know yet. But
I'm not like far from a
¿Cuál fue? 1139.
39.
¡Ay, huevona! No way! 1139! 1139! 1139! Woo! Yeah! Yeah, 176 60 foot. The 8th mile 735. Quarter mile 1139, 119.76. So actually it wasn't 120 as I thought, but man, that was good. That was good, baby. 1139, and the goal was 11.5. Wow! Guys, this was like our second pass of the night. I had issues with the launch control at the beginning. It wasn't like getting into launch control mode. I did a 173 60 foot. I think that's better, that's improvement, but I don't know. I burned the car a little bit on the launch, trying to launch it 3 times, and it didn't feel quicker, you know. I don't know, maybe 11.2 maybe, but like not a 10. It's definitely not a 10. I don't think so. We'll see. Picking on the time slip now. Let's see. Ahora sí, gracias. Yeah, 11:30 at 120. 120. Yeah, I know. I fucked up the launch. I fucked up the launch big time. It was my fault. And I think I burned the car a little bit. The transmission like was getting hot. So that's fine. 11:30, that's still good, you know. It's almost a 2-second improvement, so we're still 93. So yeah, let's see how we do next time. that was our third run. It did a 173 again. I think I did a 173 earlier the previous pass. So, but it felt different. Like, I don't know if it was 2 to 3 or 3 to 4. It did feel different. So hopefully there was an improvement there. I think there is an improvement there. I think so. I'm almost certain there was an improvement there. So we'll see now. I don't know. Gracias. 11:29. So we're 11.2. So we're living with an 11.2. So 119 mile an hour. So there's no really more power there. Still in 11.2. It's not 11.3. So I'm happy. So first good, first day of testing. Yeah, 11. Yeah, that's good. That's very good. So 11.2 on a 93 octane stage 1 turbocharger from Precision Turbo. Thanks to Precision Turbo for amazing products. Thanks to JDY Performance for amazing products. All the bolt-ons are JDY Performance. And then thanks to Joshua Flecha Performance on the tuning side, guys. We're talking about a full weight car. Let me see if I can show it here. Yeah, full weight car. Hopefully you can see it there. If not, I'll share photos. Full weight car, 93 octane, going from a 1322 stock to an 11.2 on its first outing on 93 octane with the Precision Turbo Stage 1 turbocharger and some bolt-ons from JDY Performance, and of course the sauce from Flecha Performance in the tuning side. So thank you guys, hope you enjoy. Next, and let me explain something here quickly, guys. Like, we're limited by the MAP sensor. Sadly we're limited by MAP sensor. All we can do right now is 29 psi ish. Sadly, we're limited by the MAP sensor. All we can do is 29 psi. So that's what we can do right now. We're gonna install the MAP sensors that can handle a little bit more boost, and then come back again, maybe on 93. If not, we'll come back on ethanol. Let's try to find that 10-second pass on this Precision Turbo Stage 1 turbocharger. Thank you, guys.